thank y'all for giving me ideas and tips and tricks. I'm definitely gonna try some of these out. Hey guys, this episode probably not gonna do anything on the Bronco or anything for that matter, because right now it's 8 degrees outside. You can kind of see I'm bundled up, and I don't feel like being too long out here. But I do want to discuss some things, as in current state of the projects that we got, what's happening with a couple more, kind of get an idea of what kind of car shows I'm thinking about going to this year. There's one for sure that I am going to try to make. Talk about that, and might go back over the Bronco, because I do remember there's some things in the back that I need to do I forgot about. So I might go over your Bronco, look at your International a little bit. But yeah, it's not be too long out here today, since it's terribly cold and not used to single-digit weather. But let's go ahead and jump in. Let's talk about the Bronco right quick. This is our current project. We have the lift kick panel in already, which I'm not sure if that was a good idea to put it in, since I'm having such a hard time with that one over there. But so what we need to do on this side, same thing we're doing on the drivers. Get the outer rocker, door pillars, new fender for that side. The front of this fender was all smashed up, and I tried to fix it and I just made it worse. And then we need to bring the hood out here probably Sunday. The wife said she'd help me, so probably bring the hood out Sunday, put it on there, and then have her put the bolts in while I try to hang the door. But I forgot about this spot. As you can tell, it's dinged up pretty good. I'm probably gonna go ahead and buy this whole piece here and cut this section off. And I think it needs a little work on the brace back there, so we'll do that too. This other side, if you remember, it has a dent in it and a few pinholes at the bottom, but we plugged them up. Brace don't look that bad back there, so I think we're good on that side. And as far as the inside goes, I think we're done for now. I would really like to do something with that spot right there that I made. It looks terrible, but at least it's not a hole there. And the other thing on the Bronco is I'm thinking about patching this hole, since it looks like it was cut out and it wasn't from factory. So y'all let me tell me your thoughts on that, if I should plug that or not. Thinking about it. And then I'm thinking about go ahead and getting this all down to bare metal, because there's a lot of issues right through here. There's a bunch of JB Weld on that. Anyways, I'm getting the rest of these sockets and stuff out. But yeah, let me know if you think I should go ahead and patch that in, make it just a solid piece of metal. Thought what would be neat is getting a little navigational system and setting it in there. So thought I had. But that kind of does it for the Bronco. See the kiddos. Cats, they stayed in here all night. Turn that one towards them. There you go. The International now. This is one I think we can get going quickest. Trying to sell that. Put a straight 292 straight 6 in here, and we should be able to start welding up all the suspension parts. I think, I don't know if you can tell, but the front end is bolted in, nothing's welded. Need to make the shock mount hoop things, and weld in the rear end. But I think if we can sell 2 projects out back, then we will be able to afford that engine. There's one back in that back barn. There's the other one in the other barn. Can't see it. But the 50s Internationals in that back barn, and the 65 GMCs in that barn behind that tree. If we get those sold, then we can put the money into this and get it to where we want it, be able to drive it and enjoy it. Now, the other car I have in here, the Healy, it is just taking up space for the time being. I don't know if you've seen the passenger side, but I got all the parts here. I just don't have the time, money, or space to start it yet with these other 2 in here. That'll be a project when the truck gets done and the Bronco gets done. We can put them somewhere and we can blow the Healy apart and take up this whole garage with it if we need. But we also got the Camaro outside that needs a new windshield and totally redone. So I got a few projects left to do. But as far as the GMC and the 50 Chevrolet, probably gonna get rid of those and put the money towards the truck and the Bronco. All right, now let's talk about car shows. I got a few kind of planned out. I don't know if any of y'all are from Oklahoma, but there is a car show in Tulsa called the Darrell Starbird car show. I went to it once, really good. It's February 18th through the 20th. Gonna try to go to that one. I ain't bringing anything, but has a lot of neat cars there. March, it's Duncan Swap Meet, Duncan, Oklahoma. I may try to go to that. I like going to swap meets, so I may actually, if I don't have the Chevrolet sold, may try to load it up, take it there maybe. I don't know. Nothing in April, nothing in May as of yet. I know there's probably going to be some that pop up. July, there's a couple I'd like to go to. One the 2nd of July, Canadian River car show. It's in Lexington, Oklahoma. Not that far away, so that might be one we get to go to. And then the Southwest Street Rod. It's Southwest Street Rod. Anyways, this is in Oklahoma City. There'll be another one that I'd like to go to, but I'm not sure on it. Nothing really August or September. Now October. The 14th through the 16th is Robbers Cave car show. It is one of the biggest ones in this area. It's in Wilburton. It's a little ways drive for me, but hopefully by then I'll have the truck going or the Bronco where it will ride and I don't have to worry about anything flexing or bending. And I may try to trailer it there, but I do think I'll go to that one regardless if I do bring something or not. So if y'all are in Wilburton, try to go there the 14th through the 16th. I think the car show's on the 15th or 16th though, I believe. Maybe both days, I think. But anyways, that's what my current car show schedule looks like. There'll be the other ones. There's 2 here locally that I like to go to, and there's some more that just pop up throughout the year. But Roberts Cave one is definitely one I'm going to try to attend and bring something. Anyways, it is really cold out here. Sorry we didn't work on anything today. I just don't really want to be out here very long. Saturday, and Sunday is supposed to be in the 50s. So it'll be a lot better working weather. We might paint something too. And maybe get this door and outer rocker straightened out. There's a bunch of comments on last video, and I thank y'all for giving me ideas and tips and tricks. I'm definitely going to try some of these out. I do need to make sure this measurement here is right and mess with the bottom of the pillar a little bit. There's a lot of stuff that needs to happen, and I do need to rethread these bolt holes. So we got a lot to do. May actually have to cut the door pillar again somewhere and make it shorter. Not sure, but we'll start messing with it and trying to figure stuff out. We'll at least get the door hung for Monday's video. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. Like I said, it's 8 degrees out here, and I'm already cold, and I got a big jacket on and gloves, so gotta get to work. Thank you for watching. See you next time.